Babe, the plan didn't go as planned.
What plan?
Didn't you say to roast the chicken for dinner? So, you could bring Mom and Dad home.
What's wrong? What happened?
It's the chicken.
Did she die?
I've roasted the chicken, but she's still alive.
You said you know how to roast a chicken.
Yeah, I know. And I did what I could.
I'm coming home. You better roast that chicken, or Mom and Dad will be disappointed.
Okay, babe. Babe, I think you bought a wrong chicken. She's not original.
Babe, what are you talking about?
Believe it or not, she's still alive. Her mindset is so hard I can't beat her.
Huh, I don't get it. What are you talking about? Babe, are you alright?
Yeah. Besides, this chicken is making me mad. I'm okay.
So what's wrong?
I think she listens to David Goggins or Andrew Tate.
Babe, are you making me mad? What just happened? Tell me.
I've roasted the chicken and she's still alive.
When we got married, you told me that you can roast.
Babe, I've roasted her.
How?
You have a face that would make onions cry. Were you born this dumb, or did you have to take lessons? Being bitter won't make you prettier.
Stop. I need a divorce. Pack your things and get out of my house. At least can't you Google it?
Oh, sorry, babe. I didn't know I could find that on Google.
Now get out of my house.
Sorry, babe. I'll roast the chicken the right way.
Okay, you better hurry up because we're getting close to home.
Babe, where is the divorce form?
Why? Why do you need it?